What's up guys, it's Carrington, and today hopefully we should be able to replace the engine on my 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now, it's been a while since I've been able to drive it. It just started misfiring really badly out of nowhere in the middle of January. We changed the oil, we checked the battery to see if that was all right. We replaced the spark plugs and coils, that didn't do anything. So I kind of deduced it down to the multi-air issues. Which these cars do have, the early ones especially. But when we were checking to see what was wrong with the car, we did a bore scope and we found some pretty bad engine scoring or cylinder scoring. And that is no good sign. I had done the oil changes all on time, early actually. And this happened literally right after my warranty expired, like 40 miles outside of my warranty expiring, which is not a good sign. And so to be able to drive the car how I want to drive the car, I would have definitely had to replace the engine, because an engine with cylinder scoring is on its last leg. And so I bit the bullet. I bought a used Giulia engine, 2018 as well, all-wheel drive with 32,000 miles instead of 90,000 miles. So it's a third of the miles of my car that I have. So it gives my car generally a little bit more life, because I want to keep the car for as long as I can. And so we're going to be doing a video today kind of explaining how this process is going to go, and we're going to document that, and we will see if it runs smoothly, guys. Hopefully it does. So here we are, guys. That is my friend Glenn, who works at my job here at the dealership, and he's going to be taking good care of us. So Glenn, what's the game plan? How do you plan on getting this done?
First things first is going to be stripping out everything that's not needed, anything that I can take off now before the motor has to come up and out. So crossbar is going to be one of the first things I take off, intake. We're going to work on the turbo and exhaust, and we're going to work on trying to strip as much wiring and hoses off as we need to.
This is the current state of affairs.
Right now we're working on some exhaust shielding.
Nice.
Going to have this baby out tonight.
Perfect. So this is the current state of affairs. Old motor out, and then this is the new motor.
That E-pace? You have to move the E-pace, you say. The mount? Oh.
And this is the old motor. Alright, he just started it up to test a few things. Seems like she's running alright. Glenn is just finishing up the last bits. I think we are good to go, guys. Glenn is just filling up my tires with air. The rear ones were pretty low, and so we're going to address that and then take her on her first test drive with the new engine and see how it feels. All right guys, now driving the Giulia on the new engine. Well, not new, but like 32,000 miles instead of the 90,000 miles that you guys see. Listen to the modification that I actually added when we were doing this. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I added a SILA blow-off valve adapter plate, which Essentially makes the car have a blow-off valve. All right guys, it's the next day and we are just going to check and make sure that there is no oil leaks, there's no coolant leaks, and that everything is fine visually. Now, everything drove completely fine from my perspective, but Glenn just wanted to go and check just to make sure that there was no issues that presented itself. And so that's exactly what we're going to do now. So from the master mechanic, what do you see? Everything looks good?
Everything looked good. We just need to top off the coolant a little bit. Have the air bubble just burnt a little.
Sounds good.
Topped off the rest of the coolant.
So that's it, guys. Car is running nice and smoothly. Thanks again, Glenn.
Not a problem, man.
Absolutely. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. It's been a few months coming to get this car back up and running, and we finally did. So I'm back on wheels. Hopefully now I can focus on the E36 and getting that up and running. I have to do a rebuilt motor on that, and then eventually I'm gonna turbocharge that, because M52 Turbo is one of the coolest BMW platforms in my opinion. M50, M52, both of them are very similar, and so that's definitely what I want to do next. I'm not going to be spending as much money on this car anymore. This should just be a nice chill daily until I can get that car built up. Then I'm definitely going to go hybrid turbo, downpipe, and tune on this car. Anyways, guys, till next time, keep watching and subscribe to the channel. We're going to do more videos like this.